What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wall mount your big size TV on the wall. So here you can see, I'm going to show you this kind of mount. You can see, so you can move your TV, you can tilt your TV to the right or left like that. So this is the mount, and this thing is not the wall, this is the plyboard. So mounting this thing were easy with the nut bolts, but if you mount it on the wall you need bigger size, like steel screws, not ordinary metal screws. You need thicker steel screws to mount them properly in the wall. So this bracket cost me 1000 from Reliance store, and got all the accessories and nut bolts with this thing. So first you need to measure the TV and all, and gonna mount this thing on the wall. And after that, and you'll get a bush type thing like this. These are made out of rubberized plastic kind of thing with screws. So you need to mount them right there at the top, not the bottom. Here you can see two screws holes are there at the bottom. You're gonna keep them empty. You just need to mount this two at the top right there. And now I'm gonna mount this thing, the TV, on this unit, so you can see how to put them on the bracket.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game.
So you just gotta slide that in on the top sockets right there, and then at the bottom there are empty space right there. You can see with the screw holes in there. So this kind of screws are provided with the packet. So two of them are there. You just need to screw them.
But I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry.
Just like this, and then tighten the screws. Here, tighten the screws completely, and then you can move the TV nicely and fix it to the wall like that. If you need to tilt this on this side, you can pull that thing and you can tilt that side. If you need that thing on the other side, you can tilt that thing on the other side. And if you want to keep this straight to the wall, then you just push this thing like that. Pretty simple, very nice and useful wall mounting bracket for bigger TVs. This is a 42-inch TV. So this was a quick video to show you how to mount your bigger TV on the wall with the tilting option. If you have any question regarding this thing, you can ask me in the comments below. I'd love to reply to you all. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.